I look what kind of meal in there. Just look me. I'm not gonna open the man thing them. I'm not open them fully. Just look at what kind of meal. Paper. What is? Yeah, oh my Jesus. But just look what in there. Come on, it's not like this. See there, be a seal all over it. See the seal all over this one, yeah? Say $1 million? Jackson Erman in there? Yeah. You don't know see him on the website, Martin name? Jackson Erman 101 Reggae come there. Yes, out there. But you don't see $1 million? Yeah, man, see the $1 million account number this and everything. Past due. It said our record indicate that your payment has been paid accordingly. The government tax quarterly yearly payment. Oh, no paying something. They owe them $1 million. What enough for there? It seems so. What they are illegal? Yeah, man, pick up chance in everybody. And put them on the group. No, so enough. See me tell you enough for the time. I call everybody. Really? Call everybody. Not call them. I have to know what I want. No, Sam. Tell them. I thought this was going to work out. I can't believe it didn't work out. Now we have to leave. But I tell you, don't do this because it's a scam already. No, no, can't go to why wouldn't he not pay taxes if he's know he's going to be running something like this? I'm so disappointed. Then look, the government is going to kick you out of the place. I'll lock you up for trespass and people property. I live on famous. Worst thing could happen to you, know? Worse than that could happen to you in the place. That's true. Because I'm going to see like a fraud man, scammer man. You're right, I know.
You.
Hi guys, welcome to 101 Social, please. We would really love if you do some interviews for us. Just tell us about yourself and what you expect to get from us. Thank you.
Well, one people don't say girl, Brit Frets. Welcome to Social House 101. You know, say girl, they are here, Joe. Yeah, people. You know, some of the TikTok nice people about the dancer. You know, you dance and you fit yourself. You know, say what you dance, you exercise, you both suit all the nice people about the something. So that's what I'm here for. We're gonna have some fun now. So, yeah. Right, true. Talk me now.
You know, so my name is Daffy the comedian. I'm there in a Social House 101. Today will be a banger, be a Jew, be a fun. Don't know things and just stay tuned, you see me? Yeah man, me, a comedian man, you see me? I tell you, I gotta laugh till you're sick, till you cry, you see me? We out here. Yo, so I pull off a prank one time with me peanut butter, put in a doodle, and tell me brother for taste, and I must say taste, and until I be a laugh, you see it, so out here.
My name is Skyler. You don't know, we fully active on the girl in vagina. I'm a neighborhood prankster. You don't know, we don't love violence, so we could be a gangster. You get what I say? But we are represent for Social House 101. Stay tuned, don't click that dial, like and subscribe. Mad thing.
Yeah, everybody, my name is Stacy. Yeah, fashion is my thing, as you can see. I'm here to, show you how to dress and all that. Yeah, and what else I big up Social House? Yeah, tune in, don't press that dial. Yeah. Bye.
Hold up. That boy, my arm.
Viral boss, me I go start calling you know youth.
Ah, shit. There, man, but let's see about the house yesterday, man, and all of them gone, man. All of the influencers, them, all of the social people, them gone, man.
What you mean? Where they about?
What I mean gone? Nobody in the upstairs, downstairs, back room, the world, them gone.
What you say to me? What you say? So what go on? What occurred on this? So what go on?
I go there, I don't see nobody, but I see some mail like the driver forget to pick it up. And I see one letter from the government talk about seizure and property and thing. And we still owe some of the money and thing. And it opened door.
Yeah, so you feel like say yo them saw the meal or something like that?
That means I think somebody see it. Everybody gone. Never know what for doing now.
Joke here, brother. It's a must comedy or some form of gym or this can't be real, brother.
This is wrong, man. So I'm gonna come to you first.
So what go on? How my meal go? My thing on my lane and thing. How me ever get back my thing?
You know some of it, man. Never get it and make everything straight, man. That's why I'm gonna come to you first.
Brother, yo, me, you know, brother. You don't even know, you know, yo, because you tell me say this weekend me I get my thing. And me there you bank on the thing and say, yo, me I get my thing this weekend. I know it's a different thing you tell me, bro. Yo, do you know that? Yo.
I'm gonna figure it out, man. I'm gonna get some more people in there. Like get the views, like get the trends, like subscribers are coming. Like I get it, man. You just have to give me a chance to build it back,
bro, from man, I have a bad feeling. Come like me know something like this is gonna happen, you know. You feel like something weird like this is gonna happen, yo. Come like me know in a star, yo. Do you know, bro?
Remember business with them, ain't a business, man. So
but
you say things happen, man. But
it's like you have business with me. You all have business with yourself, bro. G.
No, so you think they're right now. From here on, I'm moving, brother. Me and you, you know.
Fix. Yo, come like me don't have luck with friend, family, and nobody come like me just live by myself.
Yeah, come from day one, man. You know some of the back, brother.
Yo, John know that. But then you look for my thing. Then you tell me say this weekend now pass. And me have bang on it and me say yeah, amount of plans me have. And me say yo, we are deal with the thing them. I know you tell me this now, brother.
We still are gonna make it happen. We have to give me some time to build it up, man. You have to give me some time.
Yeah, but you don't even know you, yo. John know that. So when may I get my food? When may I get my thing?
30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
When say how
30 days.
1 meal I forget, you know.
You know that, man. Nah, for question. 30 days. Give me a chance.
Make sure, okay. Me a pre 30 ways and a pre for the 30 different thing right now, you know, brother.
Nah,
tell that, brother. Yo, dad, that you
give me a
didn't
chance
know.
to build it up.
But is that you that told me rate
for
you?
your weekend. Still have a smalls for your weekend. You have to give me the 30 days to get the stash.
Brother, show me rate up on a different level, you know. More even do that for you, you know. Come tell you some stop deep certain things for people, you know.
Understand, man. But you see this happen.
Yo, 30 days, you know, man, you know, brother. You know, I have to call, you know. That's what I get my food.
Watch up the thing, man. Go and share it up, right? We need them subscribers.
That's what I get my food, man. That's it. Yo, that's the thing, man. That's it.
You don't know, man.
Mm-hmm.